Have you ever wished you could jump into a cartoon and become the star? Imagine seeing yourself with big, expressive eyes and wild animated hair. Now, you can actually create a 3D cartoon version of yourself, no Hollywood studio required. This isn't just a flat drawing. It's a lively digital twin that moves, poses, and expresses emotions just like you. Use it for your social media, YouTube videos, or to tell stories to friends and family. The best part? You don't need to be an artist or tech expert. All it takes is a single photo and a bit of imagination. Thanks to artificial intelligence, making your own 3D cartoon avatar is now simple and fast. In this guide, you'll learn how to turn a photo into a stunning 3D character. We'll use a tool called Krikey AI. It does all the heavy lifting. Your job? Just have fun and get creative. By the end, you'll have a personalized 3D avatar ready to take on the digital world. Ready to see yourself in a whole new dimension? Let's dive in and bring your cartoon self to life. The adventure starts now. Meet Krikey AI, your personal 3D animation studio right on your computer. Krikey AI uses artificial intelligence to make creating 3D avatars easy for everyone. No special skills or expensive equipment needed. Just upload a photo and Krikey AI analyzes your features to build a cartoon version of you. You can customize everything: outfits, hairstyles, backgrounds, and more. Want your avatar to dance or strike a pose? There's a huge library of animations. Change clothes, try new hair colors, or place your avatar in any virtual environment you like. The process is fast. What used to take days now takes minutes. Krikey AI handles the technical stuff, so you can focus on creativity. It's not just a generic cartoon, it's your unique digital character. The platform puts the power of a professional studio at your fingertips. Anyone can create, customize, and animate their own 3D avatar. Let's see how to get started. Getting started is easy. Go to the Krikey AI website and sign up. It's as simple as joining any social media platform. Once you have an account, it's time to pick the right photo. For best results, use a clear, well-lit picture of your face, looking straight at the camera. Avoid side angles, harsh shadows, or busy backgrounds. Natural light works best, and a simple wall behind you helps the AI focus on your features. If you wear glasses, consider taking them off for the photo. You can add them to your avatar later. Make sure your hair isn't covering your eyes or forehead. Once you have the perfect shot, upload it using the Create Avatar or Upload Photo button. Select your image and let the AI do its magic. The system will analyze your photo and start building your digital self. It's quick, and you'll see your cartoon avatar appear in moments. This is where the fun really begins. You're just a few clicks away from meeting your animated twin. Let's move on to see how the AI brings your avatar to life. After uploading your photo, Krikey AI's AI gets to work. It analyzes your facial features, eyes, nose, mouth, jawline, and creates a custom 3D mesh. The AI matches your proportions, hair, and skin tone, then adds a playful cartoon style. What would take an artist hours, the AI does in seconds. The result? A unique 3D model that captures your essence in animated form. You'll instantly recognize yourself, but with a fun digital twist. This is your starting point for customization. The foundation is set now. It's your turn to get creative. Let's see how you can personalize every detail. Now comes the best part. Customizing your avatar. Choose from a huge wardrobe of virtual clothes and accessories. Mix and match outfits, try new hairstyles or bold colors, and add hats, glasses, or earrings. Want to see your avatar dance, wave, or strike a superhero pose? Pick from dozens of animations. These moves are perfect for videos or social media posts. You can also change the background. Select a city, a beach, outer space, or upload your own image. Every detail is up to you, so your avatar truly reflects your style or mood. No animation skills needed, just point, click, and play. Use these features to create content, tell stories, or just have fun experimenting. Your digital identity is now fully in your hands. Make your avatar as unique as you are. When you're happy with the look, you're ready to share it with the world. Let's see how to export your creation. Finished customizing? Time to export. Krikey AI lets you save your avatar as an image, PNG, JPG, or a video MP4. Use images for profile pics, blog posts, or social media. Export videos to show off your avatar's moves on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. The export process is simple. Just click export or download, pick your format, and save. You can even choose transparent backgrounds for more creative options. Save different versions, different poses, outfits, or actions to build a library for future content. Your avatar is now ready to use anywhere online. Share it, post it, or add it to your projects. Let's explore some creative ways to use your new digital twin. Your 3D avatar opens up endless creative possibilities. Update your profile pictures for a unique, memorable online brand. Make fun social posts, celebrate holidays, react to trends, or tell stories. Content creators can use avatars as VTuber models, animated intros, or even hosts for videos. Educators and presenters can make learning more engaging with animated explainers. Small businesses can use avatars as mascots for websites, business cards, and marketing. Create digital comics, short stories, or interactive content starring your avatar. Your digital twin is a versatile asset for creativity, branding, and connection. Stand out, entertain, and express yourself in new ways. The only limit is your imagination. Krikey AI makes 3D animation accessible to everyone. No technical skills or expensive software needed, just your photo and creativity. The platform's smart analysis and easy customization put you in control. Export images and videos for any platform, from social media to business branding. Save time, money, and unlock new ways to express yourself online. Whether you're a creator, educator, or entrepreneur, a 3D avatar is a powerful tool. The world of animation is now at your fingertips. Visit Krikey AI, upload your photo, and start your 3D adventure. Experiment, create, and share your digital twin with the world. Your animated journey begins now.